Hi, my name is Elsie from Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. Today I'm going to show you a couple of memory games that you can play at home with your family. As you can see here, I have a couple of items that we're going to use. So this game is called Items on the Table. I do have a volunteer today, and what I'm going to do is bring her over in a little bit. She'll have a couple of seconds to look at all the items. After those seconds, I'm going to remove the items and she'll have to name every single item that she can remember. So the point of this is using our memory and trying to focus on all the items. That way we won't forget. So Miss Karen, can you please come? Okay, so Miss Karen, you have 10 seconds to look at those items.
Okay.
Now I'm going to remove those items. Okay, so as you can see, there's nothing on the table and there were a total of 10 items. So Miss Karen, go ahead and name the ones you remember.
It was a stapler, some scissors, a pencil, a marker, a highlighter. It was a paper clip, sticky notes, a cup, whiteout, and I don't remember the last one.
Okay, so now I'm going to bring the items back and let's see. So she forgot the glue stick. Okay, so now it's your turn. Go ahead and look at these items and try to remember all of them. After a couple of seconds, go ahead and close your eyes and let's see how you do. This game is called the picture game. It's similar to the first game. The difference is that here you are able to draw. So what you'll do is look at the picture for a couple of seconds and then without looking, try to draw everything that's on the picture. After drawing, compare both pictures and check if you remembered every detail. So now I'll give you a couple of seconds to look at the picture and try the activity. So how did you do? Were you able to remember everything that was on this picture? For example, the soccer ball under the table, the toy car that's next to the lamp and behind the man's foot, and so on and so forth. This third game is 2-in-1. Right now, as you're looking at the screen, I'll give you 5 seconds to say the words. And go. So how did you do? Now I'm going to give you 5 seconds to say the color of each text. For example, the first one is green. And go. How did you do? These are other examples of games that you can play at home with your family. Go ahead and try them all. Just how it is important to exercise our body, it's also important to exercise our brain. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.